Kurt Draws.
Hi, my name is Kurt, and I'm a dad who loves to draw. Well, today I'm going to show you step by step how to draw a baby hen, a chick. You're going to love it. He's a very simple shape, or she. I don't know if you could tell a difference between a male or female chick. Well, they all look the same to me. Little broken eggshell, sweet little demeanor. Come on, you're going to love this one. Let's get to drawing. First thing I'm going to draw is a circle, or it will be a sphere. And then I'm going to come down his right side with a straight line. And then the back side with another straight line. Drawing the bottom part. And then the underside. And I'm using straight lines on all of these just to be of a guide. Let's get an eye line going across the surface of our sphere and a center line. This will help us line up the direction that he's looking. Underneath, let's drop a straight line for a leg and then 3 smaller lines coming out. These will be guides to draw his claws or his feet. Let's get a nice oval to the left-hand side, and we're going to end it with like a bowl. So these are almost like bowl shape that are leaning on either side. So we'll do 2 of these, like 2 halves of the egg. If you're liking this video, I would love a great big thumbs up. Totally appreciate it. Help get it out to more people. And yeah, even if you want to subscribe, that would be wonderful. All right, let's go ahead and get this other piece of shell. It has different curves. Make sure the edges are very curved. And then we're going to go back in and leave just a couple little pieces of shell. Let's go ahead and now darken in some lines here. I'm starting off with his beak, and one side of the beak, you want to make sure it's narrower than the other side. This will give a sense that he is turning away from us. Get one eye, and this eye I'm going to try and make a little bit more skinnier and smaller than the next eye. Again, giving the idea that this has depth. Now I'm just coming back in and starting to work on his head. Getting some curving out some of these lines here. And you know, when you're sketching, I don't like to erase too much. When having the underdrawing show through, I think shows a freshness to your drawing. And yeah, you don't have to erase all the time. So I always just like to build my drawing up by starting lightly and then slowly building a darker line on top. It's a good habit to get into. All right, let's get one of his wings in place here. His other wing that's peeking out from his body. All right, let's get his legs. And when I'm drawing his legs, I want to make sure I use some surface lines. These are short lines that kind of cup or follow the surface of the drawing. It gives a lot of depth and volume. Working on his toes here, and you know, when I get to the tip of his toe, they have a little bit of a hook. So I want to try and emphasize that. And I've put the final drawing on the left-hand side here, and the way I've colored it, and you could refer to those as you draw along. And now I'm going to draw on top of my eggs, and as you can see, I'm trying to make that crack with thick lines and thin lines, thick lines and thin lines. This gives a really natural feel to it. It brings the drawing alive when you are adding thick and thins. Okay, that pretty much sums up our drawing. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you give me a comment at the bottom. Much appreciated. And I will see you next time. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.